Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to display the sales difference from the previous period by using the pivot table. Like this example, in this example I have the sales total for each brand and its related months, and I have the sales difference, and I have another column. I display the sales difference as a percentage. Let me show you how to do this. In this example, I have a sheet. This sheet contains the data list for my sales transaction, and I applied a table to the data list. Okay, so I have to select any cell in my table like this, and select the insert table, the insert tab, then pivot table. Then I select a table or range, and this is the default option. Okay, the Excel automatically detect my table, and if for any reason if there is a mistake, you have to select your data like this, and be sure to select your header row like this. Okay, and I want to create the pivot table in a new worksheet. Okay, and press OK. Now Excel create a new worksheet to create my pivot table. Okay, I want to display the sales difference for each brand and its related months. Okay, so from the pivot table fields, I select brand and drag it to the rows area, because I want to display the brand's names as a rows labels, and I want to display its months, so I select the date and drag it to the rows area like this. Now I have the brands and its related months. The next step, I want to display the sales total, so I drag the total field to the values area. Now I have the sales total for each brand and the sales total for each month. Okay? The second step, I want to display the difference from the previous months. So I select the total field again and drag it to the values area like this. The next step, I want to display the difference, so I select the arrow and the value field setting, and from show values as, I select from the drop down list difference from this option. And I want to display the sales difference from the previous months, so I select months and select previous, and specify the column header as you want, and press OK. Now I have another column display the sales difference from the previous month. Okay, the next step, I want to display the sales difference as a percentage, so I drag the total field to the values area again like this, and press the arrow and the value field setting and show value as, and select percentage difference from the drop down list like this. And I want to display the difference for the months, so I select months and select previous and specify my column header and press OK. Now I have 3 columns, one for the sales total and another one displays the sales difference from the previous month, and another one display the difference as a percentage. And you can make a filter if you want to make focus on a specific brand. You can make filter by press this arrow and select the brand, any brand you want, like for example Apple, and so on. And if you want to remove the filter, you can clear the filter. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you. Thank you so much and see you in another tutorial.